Charente-Maritime's first constituency. Constituencies. The first constituency of Charente-Maritime, French, Première circonscription de la Charente-Maritime, is one of 5 electoral districts in the department of the same name, each of which returns 1 deputy to the French National Assembly in elections using the 2-round system, with a runoff if no candidate receives more than 50% of the vote in the first round. The constituency covers the city of La Rochelle and the Isle of Rhé. Description. The constituency is made up of 11 Première 2015 cantons, those of Ars and Rhé, La Rochelle-1, La Rochelle-2, La Rochelle-3, La Rochelle-4, La Rochelle-5, La Rochelle-6, La Rochelle-7, La Rochelle-8, La Rochelle-9. At the time of the 1999 census, which was the basis for the most recent redrawing of constituency boundaries, carried out in 2010, the first constituency had a total population of 130,679. Deputies. Election results. 2007, 2012, 2017,